Welcome to Sage Audio. Today we're covering how to make a warm mix. To get the most from your music, watch the entirety of each chapter for a complete understanding of the topic. But first, if you have a mix that you need mastered, send it to us to receive a free mastered sample of it with the link in the description. Chain overview. If you're looking to make your mix warm sounding, let's look at a chain that'll work well. It includes 6 inserts, each of which will be used subtly. This chain is great for some finishing touches to your mix before sending it off for mastering. I'll start with a Gullfoss EQ to ensure everything is balanced before amplifying the signal, then saturation, upward compression, and a low frequency shelf. We'll then cut and amplify some of the sides to make it a little cleaner and fuller on the side image. Then it ends with some subtle parallel optical compression to smooth out the sound. Let's listen to the full chain. Start with Gullfoss EQ. The Gullfoss EQ will dynamically attenuate and boost frequencies to balance out the sound. It works well first since it levels out the frequency spectrum so that when we make it warm with the subsequent processing, it doesn't become overbearing. Subtle settings work really well here, only about 10%. Use the mastering version of this plugin to ensure that the effect is only a couple dB shifted at most. Let's take a listen. If you're enjoying the video, consider hitting the like button. It really helps us bring you more videos. Warm transformer saturation. A transformer-based saturator will be great for warming up your mix since it adds a strong second-order harmonic, which we can observe by running a sine wave through it. One great free option for this is M-Saturator by Melda Audio, with which you can control harmonics easily. We can either use the soft mode and increase the analog slider, or increase the value of the second harmonic slider. Either way, we get a warmer sounding mix. Since this is on your mix bus, keep the amount low or use the wet dry to blend it in. Let's take a listen. Low frequency, upward compression. With the FabFilter multiband compressor or with another multiband dynamics processor, we can isolate our low frequencies, use the positive gain and compression settings to amplify the quietest aspects of the signal. This way the signal is amplified whenever it falls below the threshold. This may increase the noise floor, but it shouldn't be too noticeable. Let's take a listen to it. Only a small percentage of people that watch our videos are subscribed, so if you're enjoying the video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Mid-channel, low shelf. Although this is really straightforward, a low shelf is a really powerful tool. We can use an analog emulator, like a Pultec-based plugin, to create a distinctive slope, or we can use a parametric EQ for more control. Either way, try not to amplify the section more than 2 dB. If the plugin you have lets you, make the band dynamic. Also, if the EQ is mid-side, place the shelf on the mid-channel. Let's take a listen. Side channel, cut, and boost. If you have an EQ that lets you affect your mid and side separately, use a high-pass filter on the side channel to make your lows more mono. This will keep the mix driving and make the low end focused. Then, we'll amplify around 300 Hz, again on this side image. This combo results in a clean and direct sound that definitely helps warm up the mix. Let's take a listen. If you'd like our custom plugin presets, audio samples, loops, download sheets, a members-only badge next to your name in the comments, and more, consider joining with the link in the description. Parallel optical compression. Last up, let's use a compressor that offers a wet-dry effect and achieve about 1 dB of attenuation while using automatic makeup gain. If we use the internal sidechain filter to remove highs from triggering the compression, the compressor will trigger whenever the lows are loud enough. The auto makeup gain will basically cause the lows to become denser without losing too much impact. As a result, we get a warmer sound. Let's listen to this effect and then each effect one by one. If you have a mix that you need mastered, send it to us to receive a free mastered sample of it with the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.